How to verify a Stripe account. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can verify your account in stripe.com. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial, and don't forget you're going to be able to find stripe.com sign up and website links in the description of this video. So I hope that you are watching the same I'm looking in my screen, because if it's that the case, you must go into this test mode and then you must activate your account in this link. You can also click here on continue activating to complete the process. So I'm going to activate my account and this is gonna redirect me to this part. So I must verify my business type, personal details, business details, fulfillment details, and public details. Once you have done that, you must add your bank, secure your account, add some extras, and review and finish. By now I've just secured my account. I must complete this, and this is going to be guiding you through the entire process. All you must do is to complete this in order to verify your account in Stripe. Obviously, the data you are fulfilling here must be real. If it's not real, there's going to be some inconsistencies and the verified account is not going to be successful. So all these data must be real in order to succeed. And that's how you can do it. That's how you can verify an Stripe account. Thanks for watching.